The DMX300 Pro product is a real 4K60 444 intelligent matrix switcher. This high-tech device has multiple built-in features and services, making this product your unique all-in-one solution. The DIMAX matrix can switch signals to outputs or a certain input signal to multiple outputs. This product also offers integrated capabilities, which we refer to as sections. The sections are independent parts having a certain set of inputs and displaying these on a certain set of outputs. All these sections can have an operator with different access and user rights in the hierarchy. Inside these sections, you can set up an intelligent matrix with scaling possibility along many other special features, a routing matrix that simply routes signals from the inputs to the outputs, and even a video processor that can display input videos to any positions and any size over a coherent video wall surface. The outstanding device is widely used in LED wall applications, boardrooms, showrooms, and mission-critical control rooms. The device is suitable for an industrial control room as well as government applications. Now let's look into the inputs and output specifications. The 4U high chassis offers handling of minimum 4x4 up to 16x16 signals with resolutions from VGA through XGA Full HD up to 4K60 444. There is no distortion or any frame loss during the rendering of the videos. Different input signals as HDMI, HD-based or legacy signals are handled. As for the outputs, we handle HDMI and HD-based output signals. All signals are full HDCP protected. Now let's take a look how our user interface and controlling this device works. The DMX300 is a universal device that can be controlled both locally and remotely. Locally, you are able to connect a mouse, a keyboard, and a monitor, while remotely you are able to reach the device's user interface via laptop or any PCs via TCP/IP network. An attractive service we built into this product for you is the preview option of each of the inputs and the outputs. This allows the system administrator to have an overview and control over the network in real time. We decided to build in some very special presentation effects in this device. So looking into some of the advanced services, we need to mention the scale up, scale down of the signals. Any input resolution to any output resolution up to 4K60 444. The scaling possibility makes this product a rather universal one. This device is able to present PIP, that means a second input signal over the first one is rendered in real time. We also offer on-screen display to help you identify the input and output channels. The DMX300 Pro device changes the inputs to the outputs with the seamless switching presentation effect, meaning the input signals switch instantly with zero latency and without any black frames. On top of this, we offer fading effects. Crossfade effect means one signal is fading out while the next one is fading in. There is no black frame or background appearing in between the two signals. Another visually appealing effect is the fade-in effect, which means the image slowly fades in from the background. This effect can be timed according to your needs. The opposite effect of this is fading out, when the displayed image slowly disappears into the background. You can set the fading to the desired time to achieve the required results. All these visual effects make this product stand out in the market in terms of demanding requirements. This can be used for AV installations where the single box can give you the all-in-one solution you are looking for. You won't need any additional signal transformers or scalers or any additional devices. The DMX300 Pro gives you the all-in-one solution for your AV projects having high-tech requirements. This is applicable for LED walls, boardrooms, showrooms with outstanding presentation features, offering the management of inputs and outputs as a presentation matrix, routing matrix, or video processor for coherent video walls up to 4K60. Now, if you would like to find out more, please visit our website daxonsystems.com or follow us on social media.